screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what it. So what's going on, family? So if you're watching this video, you probably ran across one of my ads, right? So it's not fake, it's actually real, and I'm showing you guys how to make real profit, money in minutes. HFX, tap in. So you're actually going to see the ad running here, right? So if you most definitely like what you see and you're ready to get the ball rolling, get it started, right? I got the link below. All you got to do is click it and select the HFX pack and put in all your information, and we're good to go.
Hey, what's that? Turn that up.
Flex and let them talk about my business, yeah. Let them flex and let them talk about my business, yeah. Get it back up by my lonely. Got it back up by my lonely. All that gapping about you for me. Got it back up by my lonely. Let them flex and let them talk about my business, yeah. Let them flex and let them talk about my business, yeah. Get it back up by my lonely. Got it back up by my lonely. All that gapping about you for me. Got it back up by my lonely, yeah. All of these people be gooking and wildin'. Capping for me, I'm moving in silence. Got it back up and I ran with it. Now I'm touching Uncle Sam figures. They pocket watching, told her swiping, no swiping. She wanted me, baby, but I cannot wipe her. Too focused on the vision. I gotta feed my village. My family gotta get it by any means. So you know what that means. I can't step, baby, can't step on the scene. So you know what that means. All by the green, baby, I can't play no games. So you know what that means. Got a whole gang on the wave, getting Wi-Fi money, now we